How to hard reset your Occiam T9 true wireless earbuds in case the earbuds are not syncing to one another, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually the left ear, or if it's not pairing to your device, it's not syncing with Bluetooth, anything like that. A good troubleshooting step is to do a reset. You can also, if you're setting these up on new devices, you can also do this reset to just kind of get a fresh start with everything. It's very simple to do on these earbuds. All we're gonna do is we're gonna come in and we're going to open the case with them in the case. They're charging. We're just going to come in and find this button here, and we're going to press and hold it for about 5 seconds until we get these lights to flash 3 times red, 3 times blue. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to press and hold. Hold, 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 hold. Boom, boom, boom. You see that triple flash there, and then it goes back into pairing mode. I don't know if you heard it, it went back into pairing mode. So now if you are trying to get them paired, once you got them reset, if you're trying to get them paired, you can go ahead and click this video here. It's going to show you how to pair these earbuds.